You there, make your way in.
In the beautiful Austin, Texas. The bike sounds good. I took the baffles out for the occasion. Can't show up to Yaminoob's party with baffles on your exhaust. Alright. So, Yaminoob headquarters, somewhere around here. We shall see. There we go. I'm parking this bitch right out front. Yep.
How you doing, man?
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Good.
Subscriber.
Are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's up?
Yeah, what's going on?
Cool.
Nice ass bike.
Yeah, thank you.
I saw the yellow boots and the white V2. I was like, oh, I know who that is.
Cool.
I see you driving around downtown back and forth.
Oh yeah? Yeah, I'm out there a lot, man. It's but it's been fucking hot lately, so.
Dude, it's Harley out here.
Here guys at Yaminoob's party. There he is right there. It's got a pretty cool shop. There's lipstick, all front and center. A couple bikes here, it ain't too crazy. See if we can get a chance to maybe talk to him. We'll see. Here's a guy who's a subscriber. That's cool. Yeah, chilling. The Triumph KTM. There's the ZX4. Whew. Ninja H2.
All right, we got everybody? Everybody coming in? Make your way in, please. Make your way in. Is that everybody? You there, make your way in. He knew who he was.
I don't think he did.
Alrighty, we are gonna play a game that typically is like a wedding thing, but we're gonna make it more like motorcycle related. We're gonna play the motorcycle experience game. We're gonna do 2 different rounds of this. We're gonna find out who's been riding the least and who's been riding the longest. And both of them are gonna get prizes. So we're gonna do the least amount of experience first. How we're gonna do this, Frank, if you wanna bump up the music a little bit, it's gonna be a bit of a trial by elimination. Everybody, make your way right in here in the center. Let's get everybody centered up in here. Come together. Frank's bumping the shit out of that music. Blasting everybody's eardrums. All right, we're out here to find the least experienced motorcyclist. If you have been riding for 10 years or more, please make your way to this side of the room. 10 years or more, wow. That's why they were winning the slow, look at that. Slow race winners right there. They were in the bracket, that's hilarious. How weird is that? Okay, 10 years or more. 8 years or more. 8 years or more, anybody? And he's here, oh my God. 3 months or more. Okay. Now let me ask you, before we figure out who's been riding the least amount of time, do both of you currently ride? Do you not ride? I got my SM, but I don't ride. That doesn't count. Yeah. You don't have a bike? No, I don't have a bike. Okay. You are the least experienced rider here. Sorry to out you like that. What's your name? Zeon here, least experienced rider. You're going to get a $100 gift card to Yammie.co. Maybe get yourself a helmet, anything you want. Get you something nice. All right. Woo! Wow, that's impressive. Okay. But no.
Oh, because then yeah.
Okay, what? I said motorcycle riding experience, okay? Okay. Now, 10 years or more, I'll be 10 years or more. 11 years or more. 12 years or more. I'm just gonna search up 15 years or more, okay. Wow. Look at these. Oh, see you later. Wait, what? Okay, say, it's the finals? Don't say it, don't say anything, don't say anything. So both of you have 15 years or more riding experience. You've been around the block. It's very impressive. 16 years or more. 17 years or more. You are the most experienced rider here. How many years have you been riding? 19 years of riding experience. That's older than you are, isn't it? The youngest rider here? He's 18. You've been riding longer than he's been alive. You, my friend, will also win a $100 Yaminoob.co gift card. Get whatever you want on there. Give a round of applause for our most experienced rider. Now you guys know, you figure out the rest of the totem pole, but you know your least experienced and most experienced rider. Thanks for playing the game.
I'm out. Hey, later, man. I'll hit you up. Yeah, we'll definitely do that. I'll get the bike set up. I'll get a suit. I'll hit you up. Yeah. See you guys. Nice meeting you. Alright guys, we're gonna head to a bike night. Guys, be sure to check out Raven Moto in the link below. What I'm showing here is the badass Ruroc hoodie that you guys love so much, and the new Arcane armored cargo joggers. Link in the description. Hardcity, all caps, for 10 off. What the fuck is this asshole doing? Alright guys, so I made it to this bike night. There's not a lot of people here, but I really want to show you this R6. This thing is sick. I'll let him explain it, but this bike is nasty. So, what year is it again?
The 2010.
2010. Are you serious?
With 2017 tank and rear section on there.
Okay, so we got newer plastics on it, but look.
Yeah.
Dude, this thing is so clean and nice. Look, I love it.
Check out those lights.
Oh, yeah.
And my favorite thing about the bike, almost started it without it being a neutral.
Oh, it sounds so good.
Here's my favorite part.
Oh, yes. I love that. Actually, what is that? You're going to have to let me know what that is. Just the air?
Denali sound bomb.
A what?
Denali sound bomb.
Denali sound bomb.
They sell it in two different versions. One with the compressor on it, and then one with the compressor separate. I would buy the one with it separate. That way you can put that compressor anywhere.
Okay.
Like I had to mount the
Like it's literally an air compressor, right?
Yeah, I had to mount the horn here, and my compressor is mounted way back in here in the engine bay.
This bike is so sick.
Yeah. But yeah, this is my baby. I put a lot of time.
Yeah, you did. No, it's like when you look at it at first, you're like, oh, R6. But when you start looking, he's got steel braided lines, Merchesini wheels, gaffer rotors. The thing's lowered out of its mind. You got the ASV levers.
Those are the
SC Project exhaust. Look at these wheels. Yeah, they are good. I mean, this thing is just carbon fibers, 2017 tank and headlights.
No, tank and rear section.
Oh, and rear, right? Yeah, the rear. That's what it is. I love the rear of this.
Oh yeah, that's the rear. I was just gonna do the rear section.
Yeah.
But my 2010 tank is a little shorter.
Yeah.
So I had to get the tank and put it on there.
And what's cool, I think that's what's really just making it look something about it, man. Yeah. It's like what I never liked about these bikes, the Yamahas, and the Gixxers do it too. I hate it always how the tail stuck out farther than the wheel. It always drove me crazy.
Because this bike is lowered, it's longer.
But that looks so good.
It's longer without putting, you know, the stretch on it.
Like if you see my Panigale, like my tail's back here.
Yeah. Yeah, if you look at, shit, they were gone. Yeah,
but no, I freaking love it. Would you start it up and give it a couple of revs? Guys, this bike sounds ridiculously sick. What was your name again?
James.
James? I don't have to put your face in here. It's up to you. Okay. Some guys don't like it. God, look at how good it sounds. Oh my God, it sounds so good. Yeah. Oh my God, I can feel like, it just sounds so good. Look at the steel braided lines. Carbon fiber in the back on that rear hugger. Yeah, it looks good.
Right here.
Yeah.
And it's always bothered me.
Yeah, that would bother me too. How the hell did you get a dent there? Some previous owner?
Yeah, previous owner.
Probably something dropped into it.
It used to be a track bike.
Oh, probably another bike dropped in.
And I didn't know that when I negotiated the price with her. Now I found out it was a track bike. Yeah, that's why it has a 2017 motor in it now. Because the original motor, the number one cylinder went out. Oh my God.
Thank you. That's going to make a lot of people's day. I promise you. Thank you. That is amazing. I love this bike. I love it.
This bike is my baby.
Like, I'm a big Ducati, super expensive bikes, but I love these R6s.
I have a Ducati. I have a
I know. I thought
Monster.
I've talked to you before, and you said you've had a few bikes, don't you?
Yeah, I have a few bikes. I have this, a ZX7 old school, and then I have my track bike's a GSXR 750.
Oh.
And then I have my least favorite out of my bikes is my Ducati S2R Monster.
Yeah.
And she was like,
so if you look, guys, this is what it should look like. You can see how different it looks. Like, that is so sick, dude.
That's because I lowered it.
It's well, the So just got back from Yamminoob's party. It was pretty cool. Lots of beginner type of bikes there. It wasn't really anybody I knew there or anything. One guy who's a subscriber. So shout out to you for watching and everything. But talked to Yaminoob, and he said we can we're gonna do a video of maybe me going to the track, like a first time track experience video with him on his channel. So that's gonna be pretty sick. I'm stoked for that. And so yeah, I'm just back here at the house. I'm gonna go to bed, put the bike away, and that's it. See you guys in the next one.